Hello gorgeous people, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. I'm so excited about today's video because it's my first beauty box ordered from next website, the Spring Fling beauty box, worth over £75, yours with only £20. That being said, let's dig in. First we find the leaflet with full details about the products that we have inside. Okay. And the first product that we find is a Cuticle Mask from the brand OK, Nourishing Lemon Oil Cuticle Mask with Vitamin E. Lemon oil will brighten and Vitamin E will soften and smooth cuticles. I didn't try the Cuticle Mask before, it's a new product for me and definitely I will use it. Next we find a sample from the brand Illamasqua, Mini Gel Sculpt Silhouette. Is a contouring gel stick. Ooh! It looks very dark. I'm not contouring my face, but maybe it's the time to change that. I'm not sure about the shade that is the right one, but maybe I will give it a go. Here we have a sample from the brand Benefit, GimMe Brow. This is a tinted eyebrow gel, which I have it before. Is a great eyebrow product, very easy to style your brows with. This one is in the shade Free. Let's move forward, and next we find a mini product from the brand By Terry, Baume de Rose Lip Care. This rose collection from By Terry smells lovely, and I'm not a huge fan of fragrance in the makeup or skincare, but in this collection I don't know why, I don't mind the fragrance. I love By Terry Baume de Rose Lip Balm. I hope I will like this product too. Aiiko Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. Is an eyeliner pen. Is not my favorite tip for an eyeliner. Well, with the brand Aiiko I'm not very close, we are not friends. I tried a mascara and an eyeliner before and I didn't like them. I don't know, we will see. Next we find a sample from Lancome, Advanced Genifique Face Serum. I love this serum. I used it in the past, I'm using it now and it's really great for my skin. It's nourishing, moisturizing and gives a nice glow to my skin. A very good face serum. Let's move forward, and here we have a sample from Filorga, NCEF Reverse Supreme Multi Correction Cream. I need to read more information about this cream. I'm not sure if it is what my skin needs. Here we have a travel size product from L'Occitane, Almond Milk Concentrate. This is a ultra nourishing rich body cream. And the last mini product that we find is from Versace, Dylan Turquoise Eau de Toilette. I know that the bottle of this perfume is very pretty and look at that. So cute. Well guys, this perfume smells so nice. It has a clean floral fresh scent. It's lovely. It's the first time when I smell it and it's amazing. I like it a lot. Okay beautiful people, here are all the product samples found inside of a Spring Fling Next beauty box and I declare myself satisfied. I'm excited about some product found, especially with the Versace perfume. Is such a nice discovery for me. Well, all the content of a box is interesting to try. And this was today's video. Let me know if you like it or not. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!